What's up, my good people? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Eston Ochengo, a YouTuber from Kenya, East Africa, Nairobi. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, write your comments down below. Let us know what you think about our video today. So our video today takes us to a whole pot. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name correctly, but it's an whole pot making a plant. Yeah, it's a whole pot making plant which manufactures this whole pot. These are whole pots. Guys are just putting these whole pots here to dry. After they have been manufactured, you can see there are a lot of them which have been manufactured already, and being put here to dry. Yeah, after manufacturing, they are being put here to dry, as you can see, and they are putting them on a shade like this one to avoid, like, even in case it rains and they haven't dried, to avoid them from getting spoiled. You can see they're called whole pots. I don't know if they are whole pots, and I'm just mispronouncing the name, but that's what I've been told. Like, they're called whole pots, and they have been put here to dry. You can see they're putting them on a piece of pallet, a flat place, and a flat surface of pieces of timber joined together, so that they can be allowed to dry after they have been manufactured. So let's go and check on how they manufacture them, the process which is involved in making these whole pots. Yeah, let's go and check out the process. Welcome. So at first it starts from here, involving this sand. I'm told, like, they must have to put this very rough sand first. They mix this, you can see this sand is somehow rough, very rough, and they mix it with this fine one. You can see this one. This one is very fine. Yes, it's very fine, this one, unlike this one. So it's a mixture of very rough sand and very fine sand like this one. It's mixed up together with a mixer. Hiyo ni mchanga. Simiti unaweka ni ngapi hapo? Simiti nusu. Alafu sasa simiti nusu unatengeneza nini ngapi? Unaweka simiti nusu, ndoo 6 za mchanga. This one. Sasa unaweza tengeneza hizo vitu ngapi? Oh, sinachukua ile ni ndogo hilo. Okay. Alafu huyu ni wa kuweka nini? Acha nisimame hii side. Unawekaga vijiko ngapi sasa saa hii? Hapa ndani 3. Oh, ndo unaweka 3. Alafu hii ni compressor ama inaitaka nini? Unaweka hii, alafu ndo ina nini? Kitu kama just put here to dry after.
Hiyo the first step. First step naweka hii. Mawe yangu itakaa hapa. Hapa napanguza za insect, kunakuwa na uchafu hapa chini. Natoa uchafu, sawa? Nikimaliza nashukisha chini. Next step ni hii. Hii nalalia hapo. Ikuje chini. Next nachukua hii, naanza kufeed. Nikifeed hivi natumia res. Natumia res iwe nzito kujaza haraka chini. Hii ni res. Umeelewa? Hii ni ya kujaza bado. Nikimaliza utaangalia pale uone like imejaa. Kama imefeed mzuri. Imedraw hiyo shape ya mawe. Ukiangusha hii. Alafu unaenda press iko hapa juu. Una press. Gauge iko hapa. Mawe unataka iwe namba ngapi gauge? 200 gauge. Ndio hii hapa inakata gauge.
Hiyo ndio inaweka gauge.
Mawe urefu wa mawe.
Urefu wa mawe. Unapeleka huko iende ikafry.
Ende ukauke. Exactly. Shading. Press. Feeding. Next. Imeshafika geji yake. Hiyo inakata geji. Next one. Second. Next.
Bring that one.
Press on. Nakata na gauge kwa sababu hii inakuwa hii nakata, ukitaka isimame huyu sauti unatumia hii.
Au ukikata hiyo sauti.
Hasa gauge hii nakata gauge 200.
This one inateremka all the way.
Unaona imenyamaza bado. Nikicraze nimefika gauge.
Like this one
200 mm.
Ikigusa hapo inazima machine.
Inazima machine.
Okay.
Sasa mimi kazi yangu hapo kubwa ni kuangalia hapa. Kama imefikisha geji ikinyamaza na inua mawe juu. Inakuwa iko tayari. Simple like that. Sasa kuna hii inatoanga moja, kuna yenye inatoa mbili.
Sasa kuna yenye inatoa moja.
Hii inatoa moja hii. Hii ni 300 mm.
300 mm inatoka
moja.
Okay.
Kuna 230 inatoa mbili, yenye ulikuwa unapiga picha kwa uwanja. Kuna inatoa tatu.
Yenye inatoa tatu.
The different mode. Enda kidogo, futa nje kidogo. Chukua measurement ulikuwa nataka kuambia hiyo 200. Ni maliko. Sasa mawe ikifika hapo kwa hiyo gauge inakata yenyewe. 200.
Okay. That's the measurement.
200. Ukitaka adjust iende more than 200 unatumia tena hii.
This one.
Unataka mpige pengine unaweza taka usongeshe ende juu. Kwenda chini aidha uende juu. Nataka iwe ng'amba ngapi? Urefu wa mawe unataka.
Yes.
I think this is okay. Hi, I am Harish Irani. I'm Director of NIT Construction Limited. We have been in the construction industry for 35 years. We are also property developers. And right now, when we saw the market for these hollow pot, lightweight products, which we are also using in our own projects, like we are doing another project in Kitengela, we are using our own products. So I did the survey of the Kenyan market, especially Nairobi, and I found out that this is these are the kind of stones, lightweight. People are looking for lightweight. I consulted with 6 to 7 different project engineers, and they advised me on how to go about making these stones. Yeah, so I also made a trip to China. I looked at 5 to 6 different machinery, and then I saw which kind of products I looked. I went to different sites, various sites. I went to around 20 sites in Nairobi itself, and then I looked at the products and what they're using and why they're using that. So the one major advantage of using these lightweight concrete blocks is they are lightweight. The other advantage is they save you a lot in your plaster, cement and plaster. Like, you know, when you're plastering, you get a uniform wall. While with the thicker machine cut stones, you get all the stones are not uniformly cut. Yeah, so you basically make a 30% saving on your construction. Yeah. So right now what we are seeing here, these hollow pot blocks, these are 230 mm. Now these are basically used in the slabs. When the slab construction is going on, they come in 4 sizes. They come in 150, 200, 230 mm and 300, and there's also another 350 mm. Yeah, and then we also have the interlocking walling. The same type lightweight blocks we have for walling. We have the 200, 150 and 100. Yeah, so we've got basically, what we are manufacturing is basically 4 types of concrete blocks for slabs and 3 types for walling. Yeah. So
for this one, so are they for wiring or something?
no, these are for slabs. Yeah, we are still in the process of making those for the walls. We need to make. We've got orders for this, so we need to make this order, and then once the slab is ready, we start the ones for walling. And the majority for walling which I use is basically that one for 150 mm and 100 mm. And some people, depending on the engineer and the architect, some people also use the 200 millimeter one. Yeah.
So like this used for like construction of go downs or?
No, these are basically used for apartments, basically for what do you say, office blocks, apartments, and bungalows also. Yeah, because the major advantage for this is the lightweight, the soundproof, and so when the people moving on the above floor, when they are moving around, you don't feel the sound. Yeah, so the soundproof basically, so that is why most people use. But most of the apartment buildings that you see here, 18-story, 14-story, they all use this. That is because of the lightweight.
Oh.
Because they don't have a lot of what do you say, stress on the foundation. Yeah. So for safety measures, for construction cost, and also for the costing. Yeah.
Okay. So can you show us around?
These blocks, like, and why our company comes into this factory is we make quality blocks. I've been to around 6 to 7 people block making industries in Nairobi itself. I've taken samples from there. I've checked the samples. I've compared mine to them, and I found mine better. And I challenge anyone who says my block is better strength-wise or quality-wise. They can come here. I'm open. We can check the strength. We can check the quality and see our quality is the best. I have no doubt to say. I have no doubt in my mind to say my quality is the best because the texture. When you look at a block, you also look at the texture. The other people, where you see all this is very smooth. They should be uniformly textured. The weight. Now for this 230 mm block, it should not go above 9 kg. Yeah. And the 200 block, it should be 8.5, not more than that. So this one right here, I just measured 2 days back. This was 8.97 kg, less than 9 kg also.
Oh, it's
less than 9, yeah.
Okay.
So the weight and the quality and the strength, these 3 things come into effect. And then comes the price. Because there are developers who want the quality first. They don't want to compromise on the work. So they would want the quality first and then the price. You see, the price, normally everyone is selling at the same price. No one is selling more expensive. Whatever the difference is, a shilling or 2, that's it. But now, since I've got my own place here, all this, and I'm saving a lot on some things. Yeah. So I've tried to play around also with the price, and I'm giving the best quality with a better price. I don't think anyone who is there who can give me the same quality with the same price that I'm offering these blocks. Right now, this is a 230 mm. These are going for 90 shillings plus VAT.
Per piece.
Plus VAT. Per piece, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm selling them for 85 shillings. Yeah. And if tomorrow I find another competitor who is selling for 85, I'll go to 83. I have no problem.
You drop.
Yeah, I'll drop.
Okay.
Yeah, because I want to enter the market in a big way.
Okay.
Yeah. This is just the starting. All you see, this is just a product of 2 weeks. I've just started recently. Yeah. Yeah.
Just made them up.
Yeah, I made this this investment because of my project in Kitengela. But now I found out that with my project I can supply my stones and I can also supply at least 3 sites. Yeah. Not more, at least 3 sites in a year.
Okay.
Yeah. Now if people are making a big saving and they're getting better quality, people are after me. So right now, and I cannot work on Sundays because of the surrounding places. I don't want to disturb the people. Yeah, so I follow my protocol of strict timing.
Okay.
Yeah. But these are the blocks here. Yeah. These are 230 mm and this here are 300 mm. There you can see, yeah. And sometimes what happens is like when you do your production in a day, you get around 10 to 12 pieces with some cracks or some which are not good broken. So those pieces we set aside. Yeah, we don't.
The broken ones are
we keep them aside. Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So just to ensure like
It's just like 1 or 2% damages are there. Yeah, we don't supply the broken ones. And when we supply on site, we always supply 10 stones extra. And if they get more than 10 stones damage, we
you replace.
them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if they are broken, they are free to come back for
Yeah,
replacement.
we just tell them to give them aside. They say okay, and we supply them with 10 extra stones. But if more than 10 stones are broken, we replace them. That's no problem.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we keep our promise on the pricing and the quality. Our quality is never bad. Because the ratio that we're using, we have tested it for around 3 months. We played around with so many ratios, so many materials, so many different kind of suppliers, especially the Pumba ice. As you can see, this Pumba ice is fine grade. I don't think anyone is using this fine grade Pumba ice in this making blocks. Yeah. We make sure, and I personally myself am here every day for at least half a day, for 3 to 4 hours to check on the quality, nothing else.
To check the quality.
Yeah,
of the,
quality
of the pallets.
of the material coming and the product coming out from the machine, and the curing process. Now once these stones are ready, they take minimum at least 10 days curing of water. Yeah, we cure them properly with water.
Okay.
Yeah, before we supply to the sites. Yeah.
So what's happening here? I'm seeing somebody just sprinkling some water.
This is curing. This now, you see, these are dry. These are already cured. These are ready for supply on site. Now this here, I think they're made on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So these now they have to be cured properly. They have to be wet. Once they're dry, again we sprinkle water, we pour water, so they have to be wet for at least another 8 to 10 days till they're properly cured. Curing is very important in this. If you don't cure the product, once you load them in the truck and they put on the slab, they break. Yeah. So this is a very important process, curing. Yeah. And then the other process now that we do after curing, we stack them in pieces of, let's say the truck carries 1,000 pieces, we stack them in 1,000 pieces. When the truck comes, yeah, we know. They don't have to, they don't waste time in counting and all that. And then those ones for 150 mm, the 6-inch block, those ones they go around 1,500 pieces, yeah, per truck. So those stacks will put in 1,500, the rolling ones. Yeah.
Because they are small in size.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
But the main focus on these blocks, where the competition is right now, a lot of people are into this business, but it's quality. Quality, people are producing quality blocks, and the weight. Weight matters a lot. Even if it's 100 or 200 grams, it matters a lot. Because the structural engineer will look at the weight of the block. He'll do the calculation, how much weight is there. So the structural engineer will basically pick up the lightest block, the strongest block, and quality-wise good block. Yeah. The other people who are making these blocks at 9.5 kg, 9.7 kg, 9.8 kg. Till 10 kg the allowance is there. But we have dropped 1 kg on this block with the same strength and the same quality. So now different companies play with different ratios, the expertise, the technicians and everything, yeah. And the other beneficial part for around people living in this area, they get jobs. We employ around 20 people. Yeah. We've got a team of machinery in the machine. We've got a team in picking up the blocks, stacking them, curing, and then you've got another team for loading and unloading.
Okay.
Yeah, basically.
Already you've got a team of
loading and unloading. Yeah, when the lorry comes, there's another team for that as well.
So if the client comes,
the client doesn't come. We are the ones who supply them to the sites.
Oh, okay. You've got
we have lorries. We have got a people who load them. They count them. They write the deliveries.
Okay.
They supply them on time.
Oh,
because
that's quite impressive.
And the other thing that we personally do, which I don't think other companies do, we go to sites personally. Like yesterday, I went to 2 sites in the evening. I check the order. I get the drawings. Even today, I've received another drawing for another site. So we calculate ourselves how many pieces they did, and then we confirm with the contractor. Okay. So if we are doing 3 sites in a year, for 3 sites we put for each site we put the stacks sufficiently. So if they give me a call, tomorrow I need 3,000 stones. Yeah, one day if the order, yeah, I'll get them. I'll get them. Okay. Yeah. Supply is very important, because you know if you fail to supply on time, they might get delayed on the project, and you might lose your reputation. Yeah, because also supply chain is very important for this.
Yes,
and at the same time, we've got our suppliers of Pumba, this quarry dust, we've got cement, yeah, and those are all close by. We've got, because we've been in this industry for 35 years, so we've got very good contacts, and very reputable people who give us quality product at good price. And that is why we are ready and able to give this product at a better price than what other these manufacturers are giving.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great.
So even big companies right now, they're selling it all mostly the same price. But we are, because we are new.
You want that to be unique.
Unique, yeah, because of the quality. The unique part in our thing is the quality and the weight. We are the lightest. I don't think anyone can beat us in weight. I doubt.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I've gone to various manufacturers, I've got samples, I've taken photos, keeping blocks around, and I can see even the color. Even the cement you use matters a lot.
Okay.
You need to use high quality cement, and the number of blocks that you produce per bag of cement, they have to be. There are people producing 30 blocks, other people also 35 blocks, 40 blocks. But you see now the mixture, the cement is less, pumice and this dust is more. So you see now the strength and the weight increases. When you use a lot of quarry dust, the weight increases. Yeah, so you need the proper ratio to have more pumice and more cement and sufficient quantity of quarry dust. Yeah, that is the most important part in the mixing. Yeah, because when the mixing is bad, the product you get, the weight will be high. When you go to the engineer, he measures the weight, he's saying this is too high, it's not allowed. And I've seen other companies complaining. The trucks have gone there with their products, they've been turned back. Why? Because of the weight. Yeah, weight matters a lot. Because these are lightweight blocks. Yeah, they have to be lightweight, as the name says. Lightweight and quality matters. Yeah. We have been just researching on this for 6 months. 3 months. 3 months we've been consulting with the engineers and different developers to see the product they use. We have tried different products. There are different chemicals that come with it for faster curing, for strength. Yeah, we have tried with different chemicals and got our own suppliers. Yeah.
Okay.
But we cannot give a ratio and what we mix to other people. So that is a secret.
That's a secret.
That's a secret. Yeah.
Okay.
But I would like to say that the material that we supply, the chemical is from India, and it's a very good product. The one that you mix. Yeah.
Okay, so you import.
Yeah, the chemical. There is a supply here. We get it from
there is a supplier
Yeah,
here in
just-
Kenya from India.
just 2 weeks back. Before we started it, we were in consultation with him. So now, right now, we are not the dealers of that product. We buy it from the dealer. Yeah, but it's a fast-moving product.
Okay.
And he's also going to. He also got another product. We are going to try also that one and see which one is better.
you've got
So you want to
another
use the best process, the best product for mixing.
Okay.
Because just mixing this and that will not improve the strength. For strength, you need to have some additives. Yeah.
Okay.
And people will not tell you. That is a secret. They will not tell you what additive they use. Yeah. As long as when the block reaches the site, the weight, the strength is fine. And all our blocks, we have invited also the KEBS people who came here. They're willing, anytime they come, they can take samples, they go for testing. Yeah, so they know.
Oh, you're willing to give them 1 or 2?
We are KEBS
for
certified.
sampling.
All our blocks are KEBS certified. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So you pass the KEBS, what do you say, the testing. Yeah, Kenya Bureau of Standards.
Okay.
Yeah. So anytime they come, they go with around 10 to 15 blocks to go and test them. Yeah. Even when you dump them on the site, they can also go there, and if they find this, yeah, because you know what, when they're building the slab, and if the product is not good quality, forget the price. Sometimes the people who give at a better discount than us, but the quality is not there. And most of our clients are basically all these developers in Parklands, Somali developers. Yeah. We've done some projects for them. They know us personally for quite some time. So now they emphasize on quality. The price is there, they know. But once you concrete the slab and then you find cracks, sometimes what happens when you are building the wall, interlocking blocks, some people because of hurry and you know that need a lot of blocks, they put a lot of blocks on site and they're not properly cured. So what happens if the block is wet like this one, yeah, if you take this to site, now the mason who is there, he has to build, he knows 150 stones I have to build, so he will not wait. He is worried about his salary.
Oh, yeah.
So he will just take the stone and start building the wall. But if they are not properly dry and cured, what happens afterwards? He plasters the wall, and then when the thing dries, you find cracks on the wall.
Yeah.
So now the other process is expensive to the developer. they have to chase that part of the crack and again fill it, and you'll see a patch. When you do the painting works, you'll see the paint work will not match. So that is also another thing that we have to keep in mind and also tell the developer. So all these things, the contractors and developers, they look at it. These are the stones which are properly dried and cured, so these can go.
This one.
Yeah, this one, that other patch, it still has around 2 days to dry properly. Yeah. After curing, it takes another 2 days to dry properly, because you know the insides of this part. Yeah, when the sun comes like this, the outside sides they dry first, but the inner sides they are a bit wet. Yeah, so it takes another 2 when the sun is properly shining. Yeah, when the weather is a bit cloudy, it might even take 4 days.
Also, like
So
for drying, it will just take like 2 days. You said 2 days, or?
if they're cured properly, and just the water will dry in 2 days if the sun is properly shining. Yeah.
When it's sunny. But,
Yeah, but when it's cloudy, you know, it takes from 2 days. It might even take to 4 days. So now, if you have what do you say, if an order, you have to make more stock, because we cannot take these stones which are not properly dried and cured. Yeah.
properly dry.
Because it will spoil the name of your reputation of your company. The client might cancel your order, and a lot of people they've cancelled because of this. Once they take the samples, they're properly cured, and when the supply happens, I personally have seen these wet stones have been supplied. Yeah. Now that one, especially for the walling, for the slab it doesn't matter much, but for the walling they have to be properly dried. Yeah. And the other thing is, like, let's say this is the walling stone. See, the plaster is very uniform like this. When you put the plaster here, uniform plaster comes. Like with the thicker machine cut stones, one stone is out, one stone is in, so you spend a lot extra mortar to level it, to align. Yeah. So that way these stones are very also in walling they are very what do you say, economic. You save a lot. You save a lot. Yeah. You might end up just building a wall like this. Yeah. You might end up saving around 2 to 3 bags of cement. That is around 2,300 shillings. You get me? So just for a small wall like this. So when you calculate the costing for the whole project, it goes in millions. Yeah.
Millions.
Yeah.
So the investor ends up like spending
Yeah.
a lot.
So the main secret about this is not the quantity, it's the quality. And we focus on the quality, not the quantity. Like for these stones per day, like this for the slabs, you make around 1,100 blocks. Yeah. And for the walling ones, you make around 1,500 pieces. But they should be all properly uniform, the quality wise. We can do 2 shifts even, but I said no. We want quality, less product, but good product. That is what builds a name. Because you know, there are the big companies, big fishes in the market. We are just started recently. We are competing with them in price. In price, they cannot beat us. And in price and quality, I doubt anyone can beat us.
The pricing
and the quality.
You are on top.
Yeah, we are on top. It's only the quantity now that we are looking after, let's say a month or 2. If you might need, we might add another shift or maybe another machine, because we've got the space. Yeah.
So that
We double the production.
you
Double the production. Yeah.
because you've got the
Because
ground.
these products, we also using in our own projects, development projects. Yeah. And whatever that we can produce, extra manufacture, we supply to 2 or 3 sites maximum in a year, not more than 3. Because we cannot meet the production, the requirement.
The
That's right.
requirement, because
Yeah.
now you're
Yeah.
starting.
Because now we're focusing mainly on quality. So we get orders from other people who say, no, sorry, we already booked 3 sites in a year, that's it. Sometimes even 2. If it's a big size, only 2 are enough. The third site we say, sorry. And saying, no, please, they come to site to negotiate. They say, we'll send our trucks to carry the stones.
Simply means
Because when they come here, we cut them, we deduct the transport cost for those, so it's even cheaper. Yeah.
Okay. So in the future, you're planning like to increase the production.
If you get the good demand, more demand like that we have, we'll increase the production. Because for this, around 4,000 to 5,000 blocks they go per slab for one site. 2 sites if you are doing 9,000 blocks. That is per slab. That is after 2 weeks again another slab is ready. Yeah. And for those stones, those sites need at least around 1,500 every day. There are 10 masons, 150 each mason builds in a day. So they need at least 1500. So you've got two sides, 3000 stones you have to supply every day.
Every day.
The walling stone.
Oh,
Yeah.
walling.
So now
So basically, these are for walling or
these are for slabs. These are for slabs.
Oh, these are for slabs.
Slabs, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to make for the walling.
First the slabs come and then the walling comes.
Oh,
Yeah,
first
we're
the
starting
slab
on the
comes.
walling after a week.
Uh-huh.
After a week. First we need to make the order, that order that we have for this, and then we start with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this one you already have an order for this.
These are gone. 10,000 blocks order is there on the third one. And Somali, there are around 6 to 7 people. Yeah. But now the price is a bit high. Some people they compromise on the quality. So everyone is on the quality side now. Once you produce a bed block, the developer just puts the extra. That company will never enter the site again. That is very important.
Okay. So like how can people reach you now? The contacts.
I've got my own website.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I've got my own website. I've got my brochures which I send to my clients
Oh, so you
on
you're
WhatsApp.
going to share.
Yeah,
later
I also
with-
go with my samples personally. I don't leave my samples on site for the foreman to tell the client. I make sure I show the client himself,
Okay.
and then when the engineer comes, the client confirms with the engineer. The other people who just go to sites have been, they just leave 3 to 4 stones in the sample. That's it. I don't do that. I personally go with the stones. I find a time. I negotiate appointment with the client. When he is free, we go on site. So he personally lifts, like on site I was there yesterday in Parklands. I met the client directly. He basically lifted. He was sitting on the chair. He lifted this stone with 2 fingers like this, and he was like shocked. Like, no. How? He's saying how? I said, yeah, this is it. If they can lift this stone with 2 fingers, that means the weight is all right.
It's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. You can just basically
The
feel it.
quality
Yeah,
also is
yeah. Obviously, they need the quality, the texture. Because these stones, when they go on the slab, yeah, they are like this basically. They are laid like this, touching each other. And on top here, the people, workers are moving with wheelbarrows and all that. You get me here? Yeah. Workers are moving and stepping on it with wheelbarrows. You see. So once the stone is laid in the cross, they should not break. If you jump, strong.
It's very strong.
And the other thing that matters is also the mold size. You see this, the other people, the molds, yeah, they reduce this. This is the back side, this is the front side. They try to reduce this, the width,
thickness.
the thickness of this, yeah. So once the thickness is not right, they become a bit weak. They have to be the standard, what is used in Kenya.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. I think we are
It
good.
will take a bit of time to pick up, but as long as we are receiving orders, because of quality is the main thing that plays the part. Price is secondary. The first thing is the quality. We as manufacturers, we just look at the quality. The price comes afterwards. Yeah. And then we also look at the amount of how many. If we get an order, we see how many stones will be required for this project. Yeah, so we give an additional discount based on that as well. Yeah. Because you see now, if one person is supplying this, obviously one person will not be enough. They always have 2 or 3 suppliers, just like with the Pumais, with the Quarridas, with the cement, we have more than one supplier. Because I know one person will not be sufficient to supply all in good quality. Because once the demand is more and supply is less, they'll try to rush things. You see, now when you start rushing, the quality becomes a bit
Will
bad.
be reduced.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. I think we have to end here.
So the most important part is the curing process. You see, this for the this week they have to be wet. Once they start drying up a bit again, they start pouring water to give them that. Like you see, this is not properly cured stone. This one, no, it's properly cured. They should be dry everywhere, even inside. Some people will find outside is dry and inside there's a bit of dampness. Even the dampness is not. For the slabs is okay, but for the walling, even a little dampness is not good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think we have to end the interview at that
Yeah.
at this point. But again, you're going to share the contacts with us so that we can.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
I'll send you the link of my website and my products gallery, everything. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
There are other people also here, not very far from here. There are some people manufacturing in Donham. There are some in this sides of Kayole also. Because you see, this thing is everywhere. The people in Limuru, the people in Ruiru. You have to have different places of.
So in
This
future
is
will
our
be-
plant in Embakasi. In the future, we might have a plant in Kitengela. If you find a lot
So
of
you can
development
be
is
able
going on,
to-
yeah.
you
We,
can be
we
able
just
to-
need a yard because you got the technology and the machinery. You just need a yard.
So in future, you're promising like you might even supply up country.
Yeah, we just need to. If there is a, if we get a bigger project in Kisumu, Nakuru,
You can
we go with our team and everything. We get a yard, we
you
start
do the thing
manufacturing
on
there.
site.
Yeah,
That's great.
we put our full-time technician there, and a foreman who is doing everything, because we know how many bags, how many blocks each block, each mold produces. So yeah,
And,
we,
the quality
and we
that-
keep stock of our daily record every day.
Okay.
Yeah, there is a person who's taking stock of every day, writing it. These blocks, we have this for these blocks. So if somebody gives me a call and say I need around 8,000, 10,000, 20,000 pieces, I said fine, we got in stock.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
I think we have to end
Right
the-
now we just started like we manufactured this 1, 2 and 3. We got 3 for the slabs, which are fast moving. Yeah,
the fast move.
yeah. There are also for 150, which are not very fast moving, and there are some for 200. Now we manufacture according to the order.
Okay.
Yeah, but these are the fast moving ones. This one and this 300.
Okay, now
Yeah.
I think now we are good. So that's it.
We also got transporters here. You see, like that lorry which was there here. There's another one coming here. Yeah, the supply. Yeah. But we're in the process of looking for another bigger lorries so they can carry more stones. But,
That's good. That's great.
and our thing is not that we just continue just to be secretive and just not share our technology with other people. The other people who ask me, you buy pumice from where? Who is the supplier? What is the ratio? People who've been in this business 5 years, 6 years, they ask me. Because this is my second week, so they ask me, how did you get all the ratios and everything? I said, it's research. You need to research. You need to test. Yeah. And me being a contractor, I've been on sites. I know how these beams are casted, columns are casted, slabs are casted. I've when they're doing the process, so I know. Sometimes when they're casting the slab, they use the fiber mesh. Yeah. The other people, they don't use anything. Yeah. So technology matters. Yeah. But it's not a very difficult process. Once you get the idea, anyone can do it basically. Yeah.
Okay.
Because these now stones are the new quarry stones. Those thicker stones, forget them, those are gone. Those are history. These stones are history. In the future, also the developers here, I found them using this 8 stone hollow block. And then we also have the solid blocks, lightweight. Instead of using this, we've got solid blocks without any this.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
Okay.
I've got some 1 or 2. I think I did some samples from solid blocks there also. Now those are solid blocks. Testing. If you come here, I'll show you. We have tested around when you're testing the machine. Okay, but what happened? The texture was not right. You see, there was more dust in this. Quarry dust was more, pumice was less, and the weight was a bit more.
Okay.
Yeah. And we also had some solid blocks around. I don't know.
Oh, so
This is a solid block. Yeah. Yeah. These are also made from the same material, lightweight.
so like in future,
You
maybe
get
when
solid blocks in 6. Majority they use the 6-inch block and the 4-inch block. Yeah. 150 and 100 mm. Yeah.
Okay.
So in the future, even this is internal walling. Some people use this interlocking hollow blocks, and other people they prefer this, because with solid blocks, chasing is more easier. So other people they use this. Yeah.
So you might even consider.
But right now, I've got orders for this. I had an order last week of 16,000 blocks for this.
So you did 16.
No. I had order. I said no. I'm not doing that. I'm just doing it. I said.
Okay, now we are done.
Yeah, and we always remove different samples per day. We remove 1 or 2 blocks, we put them aside.
Oh, okay.
So if you find whether the the strength and all that is the same in all over, you're consistent every day.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
You see these blocks here, we have
put
removed.
aside.
Like this stack, 2 stones, put them aside. This stack, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now all these have passed, so they are okay.
Okay, now thank you. I think.
And the other thing, what they do is, other people, yeah, take a stone, wanagonga hivi.
Oh, dear.
This sound. This sound means this block is fine.
So,
That is another technique of checking it. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. You need to know all these things, Like if me, I'm just this. Yeah, I come.